The origin and benefits of oranges. Orange originates from Southeast Asia, specifically southern China, northeastern India. Malaysia traders and travelers spread oranges to other parts of Asia, Africa, and eventually Europe. They have a rich history, being cultivated in China as early as 2500 BCE. The Moors introduced oranges to the Mediterranean region in the 9th century, and European explorers brought them to the Americas. Today, oranges are grown worldwide and are loved for their taste and health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, aids wound healing, and promotes healthy skin. Antioxidants. Oranges contain flavonoids, carotenoids, and ascorbic acid, which protect the body from free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The high potassium content in oranges helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Digestive health. Oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Healthy skin. Vitamin C in oranges promotes collagen production, keeping the skin healthy and youthful. Hydration. Oranges have high water content, aiding hydration and maintaining bodily functions. Cancer prevention. Certain compounds in oranges are believed to have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed. Improved vision. Oranges contain vitamin A and other compounds beneficial for eye health. So, next time you enjoy a juicy orange, remember its fascinating origin and the numerous benefits it provides for your health.